Hello everybody, this is Umpile, my niece. So when I'm making videos for Umpile and I say hi Umpile, this is who I'm talking to. So we're in the same house today, so guess what we're gonna do?
Homework.
We're gonna read, right?
Yes.
Let's do it. The lighting is bad, but we'll have to make it work. So the sound is A, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I want to
A.
say hello.
Good, you're gonna need to speak up so we can hear you now.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to
I'm working.
play
Good.
with
Where's with?
the.
Let's start this one again.
I want to play the hoop.
Good girl.
I feel
Good girl.
the rain of
Yeah.
the sun.
Good girl. Number 4.
I want to
Smell.
smell the
Spray.
spray.
Good. And we could say spray, but it would still sound like.
Spray.
Good. Number 5.
I want.
I
Was
Good. Born.
born in May.
Very good. Number 6.
This day
Good.
is
Does this one sound like S or does it sound like Z?
the
Good. So let's do that one again.
is very
Good.
hot.
Very good. Okay. Next one we're gonna do is the in sound. In. Okay. Throw.
Throw
Paper.
paper in the bin.
Good girl. Number 2.
The pin is
Good.
so sharp.
Very good. Number 3.
I will win
Yes.
the
Game.